Okay guys, so in this video we're going to talk about Nikola Motor stock. So this stock has been absolutely up huge since I recommended it early on the channel. So for you guys that have subscribed for a while, I actually just hit 5,000 subscribers on YouTube earlier today. So thank you guys so much for subscribing. It's been an awesome journey, and I really appreciate all of you guys that subscribed, and appreciate all of you guys that are going to accompany me on my journey to 100,000 subscribers. So I just wanted to thank you guys for that really quickly. So let's get right back into the video. So I recommended this stock at around $35. And the reason why I wanted to buy it was simply because I noticed a lot of similarities between Nikola Motors and Tesla. Basically these companies are pretty similar in the fact that they're trying to transform the scope as we move from gas guzzling vehicles that burn toxic fuels into clean energy vehicles. So guys, for you guys that bought the stock on a recommendation, I was reading some of the comments. Even some of you guys made $30,000, $40,000 on that recent run up. So congrats to you guys that bought the stock as well. And at $35, I thought it was a fair price to buy. So kind of let's just go over kind of what's been going on with the stock recently. So obviously this stock was the most traded stock on the Robinhood app yesterday, and it's added over about almost 50,000 people have added the stock to their portfolio. And as you guys can see, the stock used to trade under the ticker symbol VTIQ, and now it's under the ticker symbol NKLA, and the stock is up over 600% so far this year since the VTIQ kind of transformed into Nikola Motor. So guys, let's kind of talk about what's been going on recently. So, I thought the stock was pretty undervalued at around $35. I just thought it was so cheap. So now the stock has literally, almost tripled earlier, and then it kind of fell back, and now we're sitting around $75 share per now. So guys, there's a couple of reasons why I think that this stock could be a little bit too overvalued in the near term, but I think that in 2022, 2023, this is definitely going to be too cheap for this company. So let's kind of go over why the stock ran up so much in the first place. So we're looking at this article. Right here, it says Nikola soars nearly 60% on the imminent opening of reservations for its Badger electric truck. So, what the founder of Nikola Motors, he published a tweet on Monday announcing that they're going to be taking reservations on June 29th for this new truck. So as you guys can take a look at the picture, it's a pretty cool looking vehicle, and it's an electric truck. It's basically an electric version of basically a Ford F-150, if you want to be frank or not. But that's my interpretation of it. Basically an electric version of the Ford. As you can see, it says Nikola Corporation, a manufacturer of an electric version of the heavy truck. It's apparently hitting the road running following its merger with VTIQ in a smashing debut on the NASDAQ last week. As per the details revealed today, the reservations for the company's much anticipated Badger electric pickup truck will open on June 29th. So that was kind of one of the biggest catalysts. And as you can see here, it says the Badger will retail in two power configurations, a fuel cell electric or a battery electric vehicle. And it's a pretty cool truck. It has a headline range of 600 miles. It goes from 0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds, and a horsepower of 906. So pretty awesome vehicle here, and I can kind of see why people are so excited about it. But there's a couple of things I want to talk about in terms of valuation, and I think that's why it would make prudent sense probably to take some money off the table if you guys are up big on the stock. I know I am. I bought it at around $55 to $57. It's cheap, so it depends on the time horizon you guys have. If you're thinking like if you're a long-term investor, this can be a hold for you. But if you made some money quickly and you're looking to take some money off the table, this would probably be a good time to trim down your stake. Or maybe you could do something like sell half, take your money back, and then keep the other half. So I want to talk about why I think that is, and most of this comes down to market cap. So okay, so here I am, guys. I'm on Google Finance right now. So as you guys can take a look, we can see the ticker symbol NKLA. We can see that the market cap, I was kind of searching for it on Yahoo Finance, but I didn't see it there, so I found it on Google Finance. The market cap is $28 billion. So if we kind of look at a comparable stock to compare it to, let's say Ford. we can see that the market cap of Ford is $28 billion too. So Ford is a company that has hundreds of billions of dollars in revenue, and Nikola Motors revenue is zero. So it seems kind of ridiculous that this company would be valued exactly the same market cap as Ford, which has been around for over 100 years and has hundreds of billions of dollars in market cap. So for me, in the short term, I think this would be a good time to sell some shares if you bought like around 35 where I recommended it at, or even if you bought at 40 or 50 and you wanted to take a haircut, trim some of this off the table. As you can see here, the stock is trending down, and if we take a closer look at Okay, so what I also done for this chart is I've actually added the 20-day moving average. So if we take kind of back up, we can see here that the stock is way above on the long-term chart. But if we go here down to the 1-month chart, we can see that the stock has currently crossed below its 20-day moving average. So like I said, there's a couple indicators right here. The fact that it's valued the same as Ford market cap and the fact that the stock is traded below its 20-day moving average. Now would probably be a good time to take some money off of the table. But remember guys, this is a long-term hold. It took Tesla over 8 years to go from around $25 to $30 up until its current stock price. So I think if you guys are patient, you wait for some of these products to be released. I think Nikola Motor is going to be trading a lot more than $28 billion in the long run. So I would say if you're up right now would probably be a good time to take some money off the table. But I think long term, we're going to be looking at $200 to $300 potentially, kind of a similar trajectory that Tesla had. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Congrats, you guys that bought it at $35. And like I said, I'm so happy that so many of you guys made money. I read even one commenter, she made over $40,000 profit. So congrats, guys. And that's my goal here. My goal here is to help you guys make as much money as possible and navigate these markets, because these markets right now are extremely volatile. So be sure to trade, but trade wisely, and definitely look at kind of the bigger picture here. Whereas when you're up big, it's okay to take some profits, but if you're thinking long term, then continue to hold. So that's it for now, guys. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to my channel for more content on Nikola Motors, Tesla, and other electric vehicle stocks that are going to be big gainers as we kind of head into this new decade, guys, 2020, and it'll be really exciting to see what happens in the second half. So that's it for now, guys. Until next time, take care.